The date is the 25th of May 2025. The time is now 10 p.m. and I've just come outside and it's very dramatic, supernatural sky. Look at that, it's been like it all day. That's in the north, that's Steve's house there, 106 Nightingale Crescent. And look at that, wow, that's really dramatic. And it's all above my head and across there, look. And we're just going to walk up to the see what it's like of the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses, Jehovah's Temple in Jerusalem. And look at that, that's dramatic as well. Yep, dark clouds are looming. I've just well, I haven't got much money in the bank until I get my universal credit money on the 8th of what's it, the 8th of June. Trish got the food for me today, my best friend Trish, and I paid for it because of Cardo, because the website was playing up, Cardo Groceries, and I my money, well, the thing is, what's so strange is she says the money doesn't come out until it's been delivered, but £86 I think it was 32 came out my bank like last night, 11:54. I won't tell you what that page is in the New World Translation, the 1984 edition, but it's not very nice. It's about my wife anyway. But I think I'd yeah, when Trish paid me the 86 just now, I just looked in at my bank account and it was 222.79. So I put 279 to 222.79 into my Gematria Bible app, and it's given the scripture Joel chapter 1. Oh, of all scriptures it could be. Oh dear. Yeah, Joel chapter 1 is about the locust devastate the land, a swarm of locusts, and basically that's talking about me sending these USB 7.22 gigabytes of evidence to my to the news media, and I'm going to bring an army against the Watchtower, which is Jehovah gathers an army together in Isaiah chapter 13, and I'm starting to do that now. It's been mad today, mad. The clouds, the recently, look at that one, dark gloom. I forget where it says in the Bible in does that look like a face to you, that? Oh, that's a bit interesting. It looks like a face in the cloud. I don't know whether you can see it. Just there, look. Oh, that's a bit weird. Been dramatic clouds all day. But the dark clouds are gathering over the Birchwood Kingdom Hall, and they corrupt, wicked, corrupt elders who wrongly disfellowship me after confessing to adultery. They wouldn't have known if I hadn't confessed. Why did they disfellowship me? Why did you disfellowship Simon Nesherby, my chairman? Why? David Seven, Baz Gilderdale, Bob Gash, and I'll mention Fred Bolton, who was the presiding overseer there. He was behind my disfellowshipping. All he ever used to say to me is, make sure you're taking your tablets, because they all thought I'd bipolar, which I don't. They won't be saying that when I take the Watchtower down, that's for sure. Yeah, it's really dark gloom over there. That's above my house. Oh, there's a, that looks like a hole through there. I'm not sure what that's about. Is that a cloud or is it a hole in the fabric of time? Yeah, this is really, it's dramatic over there as well, isn't it? Yeah, this is all a sign. When you have the world's greatest Bible code expert, numerology expert and gematria expert, I know exactly what I'm doing, and this is how I look into the future. It's through maths. I work it out, and Watchtower will go down on the 3rd of August 2025, and most likely Jehovah will bring supernatural events against them. Maybe he'll write on the wall at the world headquarters of Jehovah's Witnesses. Yeah, do that, Jehovah. Scare the dickens out of those elders and the governing body. They'll be shaking like King Belshazzar when he saw the writing on the wall. It says his knees were shaking. That's what's going to happen to Jehovah's Witnesses. In fact, I think it's in the I don't know whether it's in the NIV. It doesn't mention it in any of the Bible, but it says their legs will be wet with urine. They'll wee themselves, basically. Oh, they're going to be scared who I am. I think people are now. When I have no one comment on my YouTube channel and I claim to be Jehovah and that my son Joshua is Jesus Christ in the flesh, I mean, come on. People are going to mock you all the way to the bank. I don't get one comment anymore. I just want somebody to comment and say something. They don't. Yeah, honestly, it's going months, weeks and months without anybody commenting. I think they can see the evidence. Does that look like a head up there to you now? Like shapes appearing. Yeah, go and download some of my documents, Shroud of Turin document, to prove that my son is Joshua. Don't just be willful ignorance and ignore the evidence just because you believe in something else and don't believe me. You need to look at the evidence and change your mind. Anyway, I'm going to have a nice cup of tea. And I'm just waiting for, well, this minute now, as soon as I saw these clouds over here, I'm just transferring 7.222 gigabytes of files and Bible codes and supernatural videos onto the memory sticks, and they're going out to news agencies around the world, and I'll just keep doing it. It's not too bad, actually. It's costing about £5.97 in a box. It's funny, it's A4 paper, and I bought some boxes off Amazon, and it fits in. If you fold the paper in, it fits perfectly. So the memory stick's going to go on. I'm going to use a Gorilla Tape just to stick it on there a little bit, and then I'm going to get raw mail to pick them up. I don't even have to take them to the post office. The memory sticks for Amazon cost me. I'll work out about £1.79 each, so it's not too bad. It's a lot more. I've been sending documents out to Watchtower and the news media, and it's costing me like £18–20. Some are £30. It's too expensive. And this way, I've got like, you know, 300 I think there's 351 files, and there's so much evidence. Go and look, download, go and look at the link in all my pinned comments on all my YouTube videos, and also at the top of my YouTube channel, and also in every video description. You'll see everything there, and the description of who I am. Anyway, have a good night. Bye for now.